Welcome to this explainer. Today, we're diving into a substance that's basically woven into the very fabric of our everyday lives. It's the centerpiece of our Friday nights, our weddings, and those quiet dinners at home. But modern oncology has uncovered a pretty jarring scientific reality about what we're actually drinking. The science has evolved, and it completely shifts how we need to look at what's in our glass.
Now, you might be wondering what your casual Friday night drink could possibly have in common with things like asbestos or ultraviolet radiation. Well, it turns out they share the exact same hazard classification by the International Agency for Research on Cancer. That's the Specialized Cancer Agency of the World Health Organization. They are literally grouped together in the exact same highest risk category.
Okay, so let's clear up what a Group 1 carcinogen actually means. It definitely doesn't mean a glass of wine is as instantly deadly as standing next to radioactive waste. What it means is that the scientific proof is absolute. A Group 1 classification tells us the evidence that a substance causes cancer in humans is conclusive. The debate, it's over. Within the global scientific community, there is zero question left about whether alcohol causes cancer. It just does.
Let's move to Section 1, the hit list. The 7 cancers caused by alcohol.
The World Health Organization has found conclusive evidence linking alcohol to 7 specific cancers. And just think about the actual physical pathway for a second. Mouth, throat, voice box, esophagus. You are literally tracing the exact route the alcohol takes as it travels down into your body, completely bathing those tissues in carcinogens. Then add in the liver, colorectal cancer, and female breast cancer. Plus, a lot of emerging studies are even pointing toward pancreatic cancer now. So we're looking at a system-wide threat. We usually just assume it's a liver issue, right? But it actually impacts almost everything it touches.
That brings us to Section 2, the biology of the buzz, how alcohol damages cells.
Let's actually break down the cellular mechanics of what happens when you take a drink. The real villain here? It's actually not the ethanol itself. Just moments after you take a sip, your liver scrambles to metabolize that liquid. It rapidly converts the ethanol into a highly toxic, exceptionally reactive molecule called acetaldehyde. You can basically think of acetaldehyde as a biological wrecking ball swinging freely inside your cells. And this wrecking ball goes on a massive, highly coordinated attack. It directly damages your DNA, but what's even worse, it actively blocks your cells from repairing that exact damage. It's kind of like someone breaking a window in your house and then locking the repairman outside so it can never be fixed. This whole process generates massive oxidative stress, it severely inflames your tissue, and it throws crucial hormones like estrogen completely out of balance. It even disrupts your delicate gut microbiome. Every single one of these pathways dramatically increases the likelihood that perfectly normal, healthy cells will mutate and become cancerous.
All right, Section